Good morning. Today I want to show you one of my favorite Star Wars characters from the extended universe, Darth Revin. As you can see here, he's got a removable hood, multiple faces, Keanu Reeves face, and pop him down there. We got the masked variant. We just got to get him under this cloak here. It's hard to do with one hand. And then pop the hood back on there. It's beautiful. He's a pretty big one. Had a couple of issues with the lightsabers. I need to go back in and reprint them in resin if I'm going for perfection. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty cool.